And right here, I'm testing the board because it has a RAM, but I disabled those two RAMs over here because I'm testing this RAM over here. And I added a 74245 chip, and it's connected to database over here, and and then this controls the display, so it sends the data to here. If I disable this, and then it won't send it, but I'm just gonna keep it on for now, enabled the chip, so whatever changes I do in the switch here to enter data, it's gonna automatically display here. And this is not connected to anything, so that's just there. And the only one I'm gonna be messing with this time is gonna be the switch here to right. So let me start, and then I'm using my wallet that has a battery USB, so I'm just gonna plug this cable to it. I should have done it earlier, but you won't be able to see it. There, it's plugged in into the board. See, and that light means that right now it's on read mode. When it's on, when I press the button, it'll go to 0, so it'll turn off. And here I can put the data, and well, then this here is for controlling this here, so I can disable it or enable it. So right now it's disabled, so I can change the data here. And right now it's just disabled, so that's why it's not changing. So over here I can pick an address, and you can see it says 0 FF, but it's because that's all might be in the address. But the one that has a FF, I'm just gonna switch it the address. That's the one I'm gonna write to. So now I gotta make sure this is enabled to ground. See, I got 6 and 6, shows 6. So write it to memory, and it's gonna be in the memory location. And this shows the memory, the address for the memory. So now I'm gonna disable it. And now when I switch over here, it goes, that's that previous address, they're all zeros. Then now when I'm, so you say it's off here, when I turn it back on, oh, I think I haven't disabled. It's kinda, I think I can leave this on, that way I can write to it. Oh, okay, I wrote it in a different address, so that one, E, I'm just gonna change it so it looks different. Then right there, 2E. And then it's on read mode. I have to disable this. There. Supposed to change this one here. That's 6. Oh yeah, I did change 6 from the previous address. It's kind of hard to control it. And that's the one I had in address 0. Okay, so, and then this address right now is 0. So I'm gonna change what it's in the data to C. To 6 C. Then I'll write it. Then disable the keypad, and then the address should retain it. So if I switch here, the address The other address 0 is gonna be 2E. This is the other one I did at 66. Put it back to 0. Then this one's the one I just programmed, see, 6C. So as you can see, it actually works. The only thing I gotta move is just this here to read and write. So right now it's on read. If I move it to negative, because right now in positive it's just it won't read. It disables the keep the one for the data to enter data for writing. So whenever I want to write, I just put it to 0. But when I want to read, I just leave it on 1, so it disables this. But this will continuously display whatever's in whatever address is selected. As you can see, some address might be 0 depending. And that's what's in address 3. And you can see I can select all the addresses. Each one has a certain amount.